Well, thank you for joining me in Jigsaw Shed. Now, this was a bit of a fun one. I've had this Wahl box lying around the workshop for goodness knows how long. It's from a hair trim set that broke. We got rid of it, but I could not bring myself to chucking out this box, thinking it would come in handy someday. A bit of a hoarder, I think. But I got a free ShadowFoam sample pack. Still didn't know what to do with it. And then got the DREMEL Stylo Plus, and actually thought that would work really well in there. And yeah, the foam cut nicely around it. A few mistakes made, but sits in there well. And I've got all the bits to hand. Obviously, the sample pack was 2 small pieces, so the second piece was used to fill in the gaps. But works for what I need. So thank you, ShadowFoam, and also thank you, DREMEL, for the Stylo Plus. Now, you will see from my last video, I have finally reached the 1,000 subscriber mark. So thank you to everyone who supported me on this journey, watched my videos and subscribed to my channel. So as a thank you to my subscribers, I've decided I will do a giveaway. You do have to be a subscriber to be able to enter or to win. But there will be 2 prizes. One will be for the UK audience and the other will be a worldwide prize. I will cover the postage for both, but I cannot cover import fees on the worldwide one, so please be aware of that when you enter it. Hopefully they won't arise, but each country's got their own rules and times when it triggers, so bear that in mind. Now, for the UK one, obviously you've got to have a UK postal address. If you don't, I'm sorry, but I will have to redraw if you've put your name in. But yeah, I'm going to give away the DREMEL Stylo Plus and a glass etching set. So thank you, DREMEL, for sponsoring this. And this is a great little kit, great little tool. And the only one I could use indoors when it was cold and the kids were asleep. You'll see on my Instagram, I've done quite a bit of glass work and some detailing on metal cups. But yeah, great little kit. So if you'd like this and you're in the UK, use the word DREMEL in capital letters in the comments down below. Now, for the worldwide prize, if you watch my last video, you will know that I said it will be a project that I've made, and I'm going to do something from this block of ash. It's locally sourced from a friend's farm. There's some spalting going on, hopefully, in there. So hopefully a bit of character. So if you'd like to win whatever this is going to become, leave me a comment down below with the words "lovely bit of ash" and let me know what you think this should become. Whether it be textured, colored, painted, I don't know. Left natural, you let me know. I will take the most popular answers, the top 3, and let the chat in my next premiere in 2 weeks' time decide what it should become. So yeah, again, if you'd like, if you're in the UK, the DREMEL, the word DREMEL in capitals in the comments below, and the piece of ash, lovely bit of ash in capitals in the comments below. Now, when entering this, just bear in mind, so I think in 10 days from today, so it will be a Friday, I will put the comments for a random comment generator and pick the winners from that. And then that will feature in my video in 2 weeks' time, where I will be announcing the winners. Now, the winners will only be announced in my video. I will not be commenting. I will not be contacting you directly. You have to watch my video and find out how to get in contact with me to claim your prize. The only reason for that is I want to avoid, obviously, anyone getting scammed wherever, because sometimes that does happen in the comments, that someone says, "Oh, you've won," because obviously the bots and everything work on the on the descriptions. But so watch my next video for who's won and for how to contact me. Do not respond to any other comments saying you've won. So obviously, remember, you've got to subscribe to my channel to be in for a chance to win. For the dates of what the Friday in 10 days would be, or 2 weeks, check the details below. In the description, I will put all the dates and everything that I've just said in there. The only things that won't appear in there is the words that you've got to put in the comments below. So anyway, thank you for watching and for listening to all my waffling. And I hope to see you next time, and good luck. Thank you for watching.